Well, anyways, this is the human lightning rod, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm like a Jedi. They don't do it too long, but they have like this metal like glove. I think I feel a little bit. Take that, Darth Sidious. That's cool, I think. That's awesome. Okay, guys, we're going to try this. This is where you could do lightning from your hand. You gotta get closer. Yeah, I don't think she's getting close enough. Let's try it again.
Cool, so I gotta do it.
Wait a minute.